to TIC LMS Academy beginners module on solving quadratic equations. My name is Adeboye. Now in this first module, we shall be taking you through a step-by-step process of solving quadratic equations using several methods. First, factorization method. Now, this method is widely used when you can bring out factors of the equation. Here is an example, and here are the steps that we outlined on how you can solve the problem until you arrive at the solution. Next, completing the square method. Here, it involves using a method which most students consider very difficult. But we've been able to break down solving this question and several questions like this into steps such that it will be easy for students to assimilate and also follow with us. After completing the square method, we considered quadratic formula method. Now this method is quite easy. It requires the use of a formula to solve quadratic equations. Here is the formula that we're talking about. So all you need to do is to put in the formula and then you get the answer. But there are some places where you have to be very careful when solving this question. We considered sum and product of root of quadratic equation. Now this is just an addition to some of the methods. In this particular one, we consider some questions on sum and product of roots of quadratic equations, such as this. And lastly, we considered graphical method in solving quadratic equations. We looked at several examples where we used the graph. Here is an example of a question, and here are the step-by-step process by which we used to solve this question. Okay, so you put up a table, put up your graph, and then you draw your graph. All right, so these are several methods that we have put together on how we can solve quadratic equations. We want you to practice the quiz after each section. You're also free to leave a comment. So let's dive into the topic right now. Thank you.